Hello guys, I think this is alright, so that is a track of me, it's RYOBI, RYOBI, electrocuted, and this is the electron, so guys, got that something down, I was like, so, I got that down, that thing's that train, but yeah, I don't put stuff on the right, okay, yeah. But so, this is all I'm doing, so that's interesting tank. So I got the tank, so I got the tank, I don't think that the fine, the tank, I think that is naturally to alright, we're going it takes 2 tanks of that train. So that's alright. So we'll take that. Alright, exactly correct. This takes 2 tanks. Both sides straight. Alright. Okay. And then itself. You take something, you get that the red at top. So you can try to get it. I was like, I'll try some lights and then bikes, okay. Yeah, I think that's kind of relaxing, you know, but I kind of like some what they did was they put like a long circle because they got like things. So do that. I got that coverage, so stand up wind. And the gangs, that's so that's so probably I'll try to get the electric out and create a break some bulb. But I think that's like the years of that get this up to the wrong. The guys to that coverage that gets the cough. And to get that in the hand. So that's so that's alright. I got the second alone. There's only shit that I tried, so this is like I'm going to think if you want like so maybe that times right 6 eggs. I still think that's like that next time alright to see you again as well. So probably pranks like that could be, but this guy that kid thanks. This is oh my god. So I guess I'll get that good thing. Because I think like saying like set that bicep things. Try it, but yeah, that. And to get the thanks, so next time like get grind and that's saying brain contact change. I can't think like all the contact things like I was like I can't think that's last train. I could like take a land train. But what kind of thing? I just was able to take like the thing that so kind of so think strength, I don't think strength thing for the train, but I think I can't get traveling. Yeah, I don't think that I think so long that it's also wrong, but it's good. Thanks, some cousin. Kind of thinks it just something. And okay, maybe out. So I guess it says like yeah. Lots of rings. Okay, so those some currents. I don't know what the drinks. Maybe don't it's the sounds. I tried at the blacks, so I can do like a black sync, but then since I take the rings, I was like, so thanks, so I don't get the thanks. Okay, so I can't get trainings. Okay, so I think okay, so this is going to be protect the thanks down. So I think this is all content grind. So the whole content kick grind tank. Oh no, skygrind. That's kind of can't go good. I can't think together. So that's so cool. So I don't know. Take the text thing and Gibson. I think that goes. I think standing. I think that's it, because I think I kind of keep so length. I think that's about something. I got a lot of things I couldn't get a back sync. This kind of that train's gonna dive, I think. But I think that's it. So I hope you thanks that the people try a rank. Okay, thanks for something. Okay, something things like effect. Okay, thanks. I'm gonna check. Found phone. It's let me go. This is interesting. But I hope the guys that can do anything. Okay. It's like, I can text them the links. And I can do anything. Oh, alright. There we go. There we go. So you can sing again. Okay. So thanks. That's right. Thanks. Thanks. It's a camp as well. So I don't get some content and ignorance with this game. Yes, thanks. That's it. Bye bye.